Let's be honest, we all love pizza. It's cheesy, comforting, and totally irresistible. But finding a healthy pizza dough, that's a challenge. Traditional pizza doughs are often loaded with refined carbohydrates. These can spike your blood sugar levels and leave you feeling sluggish. Many store-bought options lack nutrients. This leaves many pizza lovers searching for a better option. We want a delicious pizza that aligns with a healthy lifestyle. Stay tuned. We have a solution for you. What if I told you that you could make a healthy pizza dough with just 2 ingredients? You read that right, just 2. This isn't a fad diet trick, it's a simple solution for enjoying pizza without the guilt. This recipe uses simple ingredients you may already have in your kitchen. It's quick, easy, and perfect for any night of the week. Get ready to discover a new way to enjoy your favorite food. We're about to unlock the secret to a healthier, tastier pizza. Let's get started. Traditional pizza dough often gets a bad rap. It's true that it can be heavy on refined carbs. These carbs lack the fiber and nutrients found in whole grains. This can lead to blood sugar spikes and that dreaded afternoon slump. Many store-bought pizza doughs contain added sugars and preservatives. These ingredients may extend shelf life. However, they don't do us any favors when it comes to our health. Finding a healthy and delicious pizza dough can feel impossible. We deserve a pizza that satisfies our cravings without compromising our well-being. There's a need for a dough that is both tasty and good for you. Let's explore a solution that ticks all the boxes. Greek yogurt is a nutritional powerhouse. It's high in protein, which helps us feel full and satisfied. This is great news for pizza lovers who want a lighter option. Greek yogurt is also a good source of calcium. Calcium is important for strong bones and teeth. It also contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health. When it comes to pizza dough, Greek yogurt adds a wonderful tangy flavor. It also contributes to a soft and chewy texture. Let's see what our second ingredient brings to the table. Almond flour is a fantastic alternative to traditional white flour. It's made from finely ground almonds, making it naturally gluten-free. This is great news for people with gluten sensitivities. Almond flour is low in carbohydrates and high in fiber. This combination helps regulate blood sugar levels and keep us feeling fuller for longer. It's also a good source of healthy fats, vitamin E and magnesium. When used in pizza dough, almond flour creates a delicate, slightly nutty flavor. It also lends a satisfyingly crisp texture to the crust. Now let's see how these 2 ingredients work together. Greek yogurt and almond flour might seem like an unlikely pairing. However, they make a surprisingly delicious and nutritious pizza dough. Greek yogurt provides protein and moisture, while almond flour adds structure and a subtle nutty flavor. Together, they create a dough that is both light and satisfying. It's packed with protein and fiber, keeping you full and energized. This winning combination proves that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. This 2-ingredient dough is proof that you can enjoy your favorite foods in a healthier way. Get ready to experience pizza night like never before. Greek yogurt brings a lot to the table when it comes to this pizza dough. Its high protein content is a game changer, especially if you're looking for a lighter pizza option. Protein helps us feel full and satisfied, preventing those post-pizza cravings. Traditional pizza doughs, often high in refined carbs, can leave you feeling bloated and sluggish. The protein in Greek yogurt provides sustained energy, making you feel good long after your meal. This means you can enjoy your pizza without the guilt and without the energy slump later. It's a win-win for your taste buds and your well-being. Section 2, Gut Health Hero Probiotics in Yogurt. Beyond protein, Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of probiotics. These beneficial bacteria are essential for a healthy gut. A healthy gut contributes to better digestion, a stronger immune system, and even improved mood. Many people don't realize that gut health plays a crucial role in overall health. By incorporating probiotic-rich foods like Greek yogurt into your diet, you're supporting your gut microbiome. This can lead to a range of benefits, from improved nutrient absorption to reduced bloating. Who knew that a delicious pizza dough could also be good for your gut? Section 3. Almond flour, a nutritional star. Almond flour has been gaining popularity in recent years, and for good reason. This versatile ingredient is not only a fantastic alternative to traditional wheat flour, but also brings a host of nutritional benefits to the table. Let's not forget about our second star ingredient, almond flour. Whether you're baking cookies, making pancakes, or preparing a savory dish, almond flour can be your go-to choice. Its subtle, nutty flavor enhances the taste of your recipes without overpowering them. Made from finely ground almonds, it's naturally gluten-free, making it a great choice for those with gluten sensitivities. This means that people with celiac disease or gluten intolerance can enjoy baked goods and other treats without worrying about adverse reactions. But the benefits don't stop there. Almond flour is not just a substitute, it's an upgrade. Its fine texture and rich flavor make it a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. Plus, it adds a delightful moistness to baked goods that you simply can't get with regular flour. Almond flour is packed with nutrients. It's not just about taste, it's about health. This flour is a powerhouse of essential vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall well-being. It's a good source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Vitamin E is essential for maintaining healthy skin and eyes, and it also strengthens the body's natural defense against illness and infection. It also contains magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in muscle function, nerve function, and blood sugar control. Magnesium is vital for energy production and supports a healthy immune system. Including almond flour in your diet can help you meet your daily magnesium needs. These nutrients, combined with its low carb and high fiber content, make almond flour a nutritional powerhouse. The high fiber content aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut, while the low carb nature makes it ideal for those following a ketogenic or low carb diet. It's a delicious and nutritious way to enjoy your favorite foods like pizza without compromising your health. Imagine biting into a slice of pizza with a crispy almond flour crust, knowing that you're indulging in something that's good for you. Almond flour opens up a world of culinary possibilities, allowing you to create healthier versions of your favorite dishes without sacrificing flavor or texture. Section 4. A match made in pizza heaven. Greek yogurt and almond flour may seem like an odd couple, but they're a match made in pizza heaven. The tangy richness of the yogurt complements the subtly sweet and nutty flavor of the almond flour, creating a surprisingly delicious base for your pizza. But it's not just about taste. This combination is a nutritional powerhouse. The protein from the yogurt and the fiber from the almond flour work together to keep you feeling full and satisfied, preventing blood sugar spikes and crashes. This means you can enjoy your pizza without feeling heavy or sluggish afterward. It's the perfect way to indulge in your favorite food while nourishing your body from the inside out. Let's dive deeper into why this combination works so well. Greek yogurt is known for its creamy texture and high protein content. When mixed with almond flour, which is naturally gluten-free and rich in healthy fats, it creates a dough that is both pliable and flavorful. The dough is easy to work with, making it perfect for home cooks who want to experiment with healthier pizza options. You can top this nutritious base with a variety of healthy ingredients, from fresh vegetables to lean proteins, creating a balanced meal. Imagine a pizza topped with vibrant bell peppers, juicy tomatoes, and a sprinkle of fresh basil. Or perhaps you prefer a more protein-packed option with grilled chicken and spinach. The possibilities are endless, and each combination brings its own unique flavors and nutritional benefits. As the pizza bakes, the Greek yogurt and almond flour crust becomes golden and slightly crispy, providing a satisfying crunch with every bite. The aroma that fills your kitchen is simply irresistible, making it hard to wait for that first delicious slice. Sharing this healthy pizza with family and friends not only brings joy, but also promotes a sense of well-being, knowing that you're serving a meal that's good for the body and soul. So next time you're craving pizza, remember this match made in heaven. Greek yogurt and almond flour, a combination that transforms a beloved comfort food into a nutritious delight. Enjoy every bite, knowing you're indulging in a meal that's as good for your health as it is for your taste buds. Before we embark on our pizza-making journey, let's gather our 2 simple ingredients. Don't worry, you won't need a shopping list longer than your arm for this recipe. It's all about simplicity and great taste. First, you'll need 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Choose a high-protein variety for the best results. The higher the protein content, the more satisfying and dough-like your crust will be. Next, grab 1 cup of almond flour. You can find almond flour in most grocery stores, often in the baking aisle or health food section. And that's it. Just 2 ingredients are all it takes to create a delicious and healthy pizza crust. Now comes the fun part, transforming these 2 simple ingredients into a pizza dough. Grab a large bowl and add your measured Greek yogurt. Then pour in the almond flour. Using a spatula or a wooden spoon, begin to mix the ingredients together. You'll notice the mixture starting to come together into a dough. Keep mixing until it forms a smooth, slightly sticky ball. If you find the dough is a little too sticky, add a tablespoon of almond flour at a time until you reach the desired consistency. Remember, this dough is very forgiving, so don't worry about being too precise. Now that you have a beautiful dough ball, it's time to shape your pizza crust. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Lightly dust your work surface with almond flour to prevent sticking. Place your dough ball on the floured surface and use your hands or a rolling pin to shape it into your desired crust thickness. Remember, a thinner crust will result in a crispier pizza, while a thicker crust will be chewier. Feel free to experiment and find your perfect crust. Section 4. Ready for the oven. This is the moment where all your hard work and preparation come together to create a delicious homemade pizza. Carefully transfer your shaped pizza crust onto the prepared baking sheet. Make sure the baking sheet is lightly dusted with flour or cornmeal to prevent sticking. Now comes the exciting part, adding your favorite toppings. This is where you can truly personalize your pizza. Spread a thin layer of tomato sauce over the crust, leaving a small border for the crust. The sauce is the foundation of your pizza's flavor, so choose one that you love. Then, let your creativity run wild with your favorite toppings. Whether you prefer classic pepperoni, a variety of fresh vegetables, or something more adventurous like pineapple and ham, the choice is yours. Remember to go easy on the cheese, as too much can make your crust soggy. A good rule of thumb is to use just enough to cover the toppings without overwhelming them. Once you're happy with your pizza creation, carefully slide the baking sheet into the preheated oven. Make sure your oven is at the right temperature, usually around 475 degrees Fahrenheit, to ensure a crispy crust. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. The exact time can vary depending on your oven and the thickness of your crust, so keep an eye on it. Keep a close eye on your pizza to prevent burning. It's a good idea to rotate the baking sheet halfway through the cooking time to ensure even baking. Once baked to perfection, remove from the oven and let cool slightly before slicing and serving. This allows the cheese to set a bit, making it easier to cut and serve. Enjoy your homemade pizza with family and friends, and savor the satisfaction of creating something delicious from scratch. There you have it. You've just unlocked the secret to a healthier, tastier pizza night. With just 2 simple ingredients, Greek yogurt and almond flour, you've created a pizza crust that's not only delicious, but also packed with protein, fiber, and good bacteria. Remember that sad-looking pizza with the pale, dense crust? Well, say goodbye to those days. This 2-ingredient dough yields a crust that's crispy on the outside, chewy on the inside, and bursting with flavor. No more settling for store-bought options loaded with refined carbs, added sugars, and preservatives. You are now a pizza revolutionary, taking charge of your health and your taste buds.